Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon Prime membership not showing. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm you are signed in to the correct Amazon account that actually has the Prime membership. Open the Amazon app and tap the profile icon. Then check the email at the top to verify it is your Prime account. If you are on a computer, click Accounts and Lists. Then confirm the signed-in name and email are correct. Now, go to your Prime membership page and check whether Prime is shown as active. If Prime looks active but benefits are missing, fully close the Amazon app and reopen it. On iPhone, swipe up and remove the Amazon app from recent apps to force it to restart. On Android, open recent apps and swipe the Amazon app away to close it completely. Next, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if the issue is caused by your network. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can hide membership status. After restarting, open the Amazon app or website again and sign in carefully. If you use the app, update it from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. If you are on a browser, refresh the page and then clear the cache and cookies for Amazon. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and remove cookies and cached files. Then reopen the browser. Go to Amazon.com and sign in again to reload your Prime status. Check your region settings, because Prime benefits may not appear if you are on the wrong marketplace. Make sure you are using the same country site where you purchased Prime, like Company UK or DA. If you share Prime with family or household, confirm you are properly added and accepted. Go to Amazon Household Settings and verify the invited account is linked correctly. If your Prime is through a mobile carrier or partner, open that provider's app and confirm the subscription is still active. Check your payment method on Amazon, because a failed payment can pause Prime benefits. Go to your payments and update the card details. Then retry the membership verification. If you recently renewed Prime, wait a few minutes and then sign out and sign back in to refresh the account data. To sign out on the app, open Menu, Settings, and select Sign Out. Then log back in. If Prime Video is the only place it is missing, open Prime Video Settings and confirm the same account is used there too. Try accessing a Prime-only benefit page, like Prime Delivery or Prime Video, to force a membership check. If the membership still does not show, contact Amazon customer service and ask them to refresh Prime entitlements on your account. Provide your account email, the purchase date, and any receipt or order number related to Prime if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.